This video is about my recent favorites. It's slightly different. It's not only makeup orientated, they're mixed with my preferred shoes, trousers, and you'll be excited. First one is let me take off one to show you. This is from the brand called VIVAIA. I think a lot of you probably heard about this brand already. They're focusing on creating stylish and sustainable footwear. All their products are used recyclable materials, which is so environmental friendly, and to be honest, really respect this type of brand. Besides all the green concept, the shoes itself, they're very, very good quality. I was wearing this one and this one to my Christmas trip to Ireland. We walked miles every day, and they were so comfortable. The style is absolutely in trend. If you go through their website as well, they have so many different designs, different colors, which is absolutely amazing. Out of three, this is my favorite one, which is the black main color. But if you look at the details with the heel, if you look at the design of the heel itself, and what I also like is the front is more square round. It's not completely sharp, flat square, neither pointed round. It's very stylish and suits most of the foot shape. It covers your feet thoroughly, firmly, but not tight. You look at the top, little details here as well. It's like a socks, thick socks as well. It's a stretchable, but it has a support surround the shoe itself. Therefore, it doesn't matter how long you wear it, the shape of shoes is still maintained very well. This one goes very well with your jeans, with your shorts, with your skirt. It's pretty much a no-brainer. And for this boot in particular, I would recommend to people if you prefer more low-key colors, such as if you prefer black, white, and gray, this type of colors, I would highly recommend to try this type of boots. The main color go with your style, but just give a little bit, spotlights on your outfit. The second one is the knee-high boots. It's in gray color. This one is so warm. In Ireland, it was freezing cold. Thank God I had this. This one is not only about comfortable, stretch top, you see. The same surround the shoes here, they have more like a carbon type of support. It holds the shape up, and they have thermal inside as well. Look. And also, guys, see the details. I always like to see those details that really reflect the brand, or their attention to details, how they actually presenting their product. And this one is slightly lower heel. It has a very, very elegant logo in here as well. Myself, my leg is really not in great shape, let's put that way. For me, it is actually difficult to find comfortable boots, especially around the knee highs, because here is always not big or large enough for me to zip up or even pull my leg in. This one, if you have a similar challenge like me, look no further. Absolutely look no further. And we all know this more like legging socks type of boots are currently in trend. This fits my, fatty leg perfectly. Last but not least, this design is so in trend, and we've seen this similar design in some luxury brand as well. And show you guys a couple of details as well. It has like a double string on top. Very, very nice and attention to details design. And have a look inside. If you look at the insoles, it supports your feet very well. And also here, you see, even you can wear it without socks. It's well held, but it's not hard or harsh, which can cause, the damage of your feet. So admire of this brand that how they actually transform those recyclable material into a stylish shoes like this. This style goes very well with most of your outfit, especially in springtime. Your skirt, your shorts, your trousers, your jeans, name it. especially with the color itself. It's not pure white, yeah, it's more like cream white. Very elegant and stylish. I will have their discount code and the links in my description box. I highly recommend it just to click on the link and just even browse what they can actually offer by using or reutilizing recyclable material to create those such stylish and unimaginable design shoes. Finish your shoes, and I'm going to talk about the shorts on me. This one is from ZARA. It's not a real leather. It's leather feel, probably pure leather type of shorts. But it's not too short, which is not really friendly for our, you know, thick legs, I would say. It's just about the right length. Doesn't make your leg look short. And at the same time, it also has thermal inside. It's so warm. You need this type of shorts in the winter, especially if you wanna, you know, keep the fashion, goes well with boots. And if you're a little bit like me, got a little bit age and still afraid of cold, guys, look no further. Let's back on our makeup. First one is FLORASIS, this Lock the Link lipstick. I use pretty much every day since I had it. It's in this particular color, M8013. This one I find is so multifunctional. Look at the color itself. It has lovely lot of brick red, a little bit orange, and most important, it has nice warm brown in there. Therefore, when you look at this, when I apply it on my face as a blush, it actually help and merge well with any contour, or even sometimes I don't even put a contour because the level of just about right brown in there. I didn't have second color on top of my eye look and blush today. And another important thing, in order to achieve all this, is thanks to the formula. The formula is very buttery and creamy, very easy to be blended out. And if you live for a little while, it actually set well on your skin. Another one I've been using it recently very often now is from Out of Office, which is their lip liner. Out of Office with FLORASIS, two of them, best combo. Out of Office, this one is very buttery and goes with my skin tone very well. So when I use this one to overdraw my lip shape, it will make my lip look so natural, plumped, rather than looking so obviously that I've drawn something over. Lastly, are these two. I think I mentioned this in my past videos last year, I think a while ago. But anyway, they are from Little OnDine. It is their liquid highlight and the contour. What I like them about one is the applicator. It's very neat, which is very easy to precisely apply into the area. The liquid highlighter, what I like about it is the color. Once you smudge it out, can you see? It starts merging with your own skin tone. It doesn't make it too pearl white. The contour one has a similar. It is actually like light milk. And again, the beauty of this is once you smudge it out, it starts merging with your own skin. Look like a real shade. It doesn't look dirty, doesn't look chocolatey, doesn't look muddy. If you can you guys see the shading color over here? Can you compare this two? Look very similar. So if you haven't found your perfect highlight and contour in liquid formula, do try out a Little OnDine this one. Okay, hope you enjoyed today's video, and please also let me know what's your recent favorites. Can be anything. I would love to check out your favorites, so please do leave your comments down below. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I see you on my next video.